Hey guys, I had a question on section 6.1 homework questions number 4 and 5. So I thought I would combine 4 and 5 on the same video. So number 4, it says find the indicated z-score. The graph depicts the standard normal distribution with mean of 0 and standard deviation of 1. So basically what they've done is they've given you the probability of 0.2206 that the score would fall below this particular z-score. Or in other words, the area of this blue section is 0.2206, and they want to know what the cutoff z-score is. So what you'll do is you'll go to StatCrunch. And you'll go to Stat Calculators, Normal. Okay. And the mean is 0. The standard deviation is 1. We're looking for the z-score here. So, and we're looking for the area to the left. So we're looking for the probability that the x will fall less than or equal to the z-score here when the area, now I'll type the area in here, and I forgot what it was. Let me look. It's 0.2206. So let me get that to pull back up. I don't want that. 0.2206. Where's my StatCrunch? See, calculators, normal. Okay, so here we go. Sorry, I lost it. So the area is 0.2206. We've got our mean of 0, standard deviation of 1. We're looking for the probability that our x would be less than or equal to whatever the z-score here is when that area is 0.2206. So let's compute to see what the z-score is. And that z-score is negative 0.7702 if they want 4 decimal places. So let me see what they want. Negative 0.77. They want 2, so that'd be negative 0.77. And we check it, and that is correct. And then we can go to number 5. This is very similar. Let me do a similar question so it changes up the numbers here. Okay, so number 5 is very similar, except for this time they want the z-score that is the cutoff for when the area is to the right of that z-score is 0.8485. So we're looking for the z-score here. It's going to be below 0, so it's going to be negative, such that the area to the right of that z-score is 0.8485. So we'll still go to StatCrunch again, 0.8485. We'll do Stat Calculators, Normal. Okay, same idea as before, except for this time we're looking for the area to the right. And our, what was our area this time? 0.8485. So 0.8485 is my area to the right, and I'll click compute, and my z-score cutoff will be there. And it's negative 1.03. Negative 1.03 is my z-score. And I'll check that, and that is correct. And I hope this helps you. Thanks.